Changing how our eyebrows look, even just the tiniest bit, can totally transform our faces. Now, you'll remember in a video I did a while back, I've done a few actually, I did a video of sort of plucking and shaping our eyebrows, and I've also done one on me getting my eyebrows threaded and also tinted. And I think that my eyebrows have never looked as good as they did when I got them tinted and threaded. They actually totally need to be done again. They're a bit of a mess, so before anyone says that, I know. But I wanted to try out a home kit. This could go horribly wrong, or this could be revolutionary. So this is gonna be me tattooing my brows. So around about the same day that I actually saw those chest waxing strips, you'll remember that video, I also saw this. This is by Maybelline, it's called Tattoo Brow. Really, it's marketed towards women, but if I do this, no one's gonna know that that this is a product for women. It's just gonna be like I've hopefully done it myself. So this says that it lasts up to 3 days. I've gone for the medium color. There's a light one, so if you've got more sort of fair hair, light, medium, and dark. So this is medium. This is saying, wake up to evenly filled brows. First peel off brow tint, lasts up to 3 days, no touch-ups needed. Okay, so that sounds fairly simple. This is my brows now. There's absolutely nothing in them. They are clean, there's no dye, there's no fiber, it's all good to go. They do need plucked. They need plucked, they need threaded, they just need a good trim, but we're still gonna try this. This is what we've got in here. Tattoo Brow Long Lasting Tint. So it looks a bit like a sort of little mascara wand. Nervous, if this goes horribly wrong then we'll know about it. I think my thing with this is I don't want them to look like drag queen. Just like when people go too far with their brows, I don't want it to look like that. I want this to look natural, and really I don't want it out with the hairs of the eyebrow. I want it to look like my eyebrows really aren't perfect, and I want them to still look like that. I don't want them to be totally shaped. Okay, one. Can see it's ever so slightly darker already, but we're obviously gonna have to let that. So I'm gonna do exactly the same for the other one. Right, I am going to stop there because I feel like I could go on forever and this could go horribly wrong for my first time. So I'm gonna leave this for, it says you can do it for 20 minutes up to 2 hours if you want it for 3 days. Should we do 2 hours? Okay, cool, yeah, you twisted my arm. 11:54, I will come back at 1:54. Okay, I just went to the bathroom, like literally now, and looked and I thought, I've not put enough of this on, so I've caked it on. What have you done, Robin? What have you done? I thought if you're gonna do this, you're gonna do this. Right, that has been 2 hours. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, they are certainly brown. Right, let's see what this is like now. How do we remove this? Step 3, peel off inner to outer brow. That's coming off fairly easily. It's not really taking off any eyebrow hair, which is good. Let's do the other one. I actually am quite impressed. I was nervous there when I put it on and then I topped it up. I thought I've probably gone a little too far here. But they're definitely darker, but they're still quite natural. If anything, I might even try the darker one. Who knows? But this is now the final ones. Darker brows, but not too dark. And also, it's not stained the skin. I was scared that tattoo brow meant it was going to be like whoosh, but it's not really stained the skin. It's really just sort of coloured the brows darker. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it 3 days. It says that with the 2 hour waiting time application, it should last up to 3 days. So I'll give you some updates. Day 1. Okay, day 1 of eyebrows. And they're looking pretty good. They are darker. And actually, I've been filming today and I'd normally put a little bit of Benefit Gimme Brow in just to boost them. And I've not needed it. So day 1, they're looking good. Well done. Day 2 of the eyebrows. Where are we? There. They're still darker, I think. I don't think they're as dark as they were yesterday. But they're definitely still darker. Still nothing on my skin, nothing in my eyebrows. I feel like we've still hopefully got another day in these. So this is day 3 of the tattoo brow. Let's have a look. Again, absolutely nothing in my brows at the moment. I actually think they've done pretty well. I wasn't expecting much from this product, but yeah, they're not bad at all. Like, that's pretty good going, and I think for, what's that product, like £12.99, I'll link it. I found it in a few places actually, and I know it's available internationally. I think it's down below. But for £12.99, I think that's pretty good going. I know when I got mine done, they would have been about £45.50, and that does last obviously about a month. But for this being just 3 days, I don't think it's bad at all. I know I'm gonna do them again because it's so quick and so easy that you can then just decide when you want darker brows. But yeah, I've liked it. I mean, not perfect, but a really quick win if you just want to sort of tint that brow. Tint that brow, that should be the hashtag, shouldn't it? But there you go. Thank you very much for watching. If there's any other products that you've seen in stores somewhere, you've seen online, you want me to try, grooming products, little style things, or whatever it might be, let me know in the comments below and I'll get onto them. But if you're new to my channel and you've not yet pressed subscribe, then please do press subscribe. The button is just up there. There's also more video suggestions down there. A link to my blog, it's there. I've got a new newsletter. There'll be more info coming out there. Instagram's up there and my podcast. But I'll see you in the next new video. Bye bye.